All right, now we are in the Wix Dashboard, which is basically the backend of your website. In the top left corner, we can see the name of the website we have just created, and we can also create any new website by clicking on Create New Website at any time. And here on the left side, we have the navigation menu of your website dashboard, which gives us all kinds of information and also settings for our website. Now, by default, you'll be on this homepage right here where you can see some specific metrics for your website traffic and your sales if you're selling stuff on your website. You have also different options like managing your invoices. You can manage your orders right here. You can manage your restaurant menu if you have a restaurant website, your table reservations. Down here, we can also manage our inbox, our contacts. We have different marketing features. We have different analytic reports we can check out. And then we also have automations. But for now, we don't need to worry about any of these settings right here, because first we need to set up our website, and then we can always come back to the dashboard and look at all these different options.